One of the ideas is an idea that actually is just an expansion of a program that's already there. The judges can transfer their cases in. New cases coming in would be applied solely into my court. I can look at the timeline of the cases, see whether they're on track, and make sure that they're heard and that they have their day in court in a timely manner so that we don't lose victims. So whether you are a victim or a family member of the victim, or whether you're the defendant, nothing happens that's good. You need a judge who concentrates on that type of case and will make sure that the timetable on that trial is swift. The other one was, right now in Dallas County, we're suffering because of a reform issue on bail reform. It's okay to hold someone in jail if they are dangerous to society or dangerous to themselves. It is not okay to hold someone in jail because they're just poor, even though they're not a danger to anyone. That takes extra time. That takes work every morning, looking at your cases and making sure you know who's in jail and that you bring everyone together so that if there's a resolution, we can resolve the issue. Of course, I'll take that same innovation, I'll take that same work, and I'll apply it to a felony court. But that kind of triage work, right, is very demanding. It's demanding on the judge, it's demanding on the lawyers. We don't want to hold anyone who could be working at a job, who could be paying money to make sure that their family has food and clothing. Those things are important too. Ignite is one of the organizations that I'm very proud to be associated with. Young women have different needs than young men when it comes to looking at a political career. If you look at our political landscape right now, women are a tiny fraction of our Congress. A woman has not yet been a president. You see women trailing in numbers in terms of representation, even though they're 50% of the population. One of the things that Ignite wants to do is to train and encourage young women that as they become professionals, as they move into society from being a student into a career, that one of the things that they consider is their political voice, and to try to increase that number of representation so that we have women who represent men and women so that that voice can be heard. I also am very active with my church. I sit on my church boards. I'm also a member of the board for the Texas Center for Judiciary. They're one of the largest nonprofits in the state of Texas, running $4.9 million. All they do is deal with the educational requirement for judges inside the state of Texas. They're a nonprofit. The only way that you can get on the board is if the other judges in the state elect you to be on the board. So the way that I got on the board was by vote of my peers throughout the state of Texas. And so, so my future is right now that I'm very pleased to serve Dallas County in the next coming 4 years on criminal district court, and to try to be the best mom that I can be. And that's it for now. 첫째로는 젊은 분들한테는요, 공부 열심히 해야지 되고요, 공부해야지 되고요. 그리고 어떻게 됐든지 사회에 나가서 부지런히 일을 해야죠. 어떤 부분이든지 government, business, medicine, 어떤 부분이 그 사람한테 이제 마음에 들든지 아니면 강하든지 어떻게 하든지 열심히 노력을 하고 열심히 거기에다가 공부를 붙이면은 앞으로 길이 열리죠. 네? 공부 안 하고 열심히 안 하면은 누가 문을 열어줘요? 안 열어주죠. 열심히 하면은 부모가 도와주지 못한다 그래도요, 경험이 없어서 아니면은 한국에서 태어났으니까는 미국 사회를 몰라서 그 문을 애 위에서 열어주지 못한다 그래도요. 미국 사회가 그 열심히 일을 하고 공부하고 아는 것에 대해서 문을 열어준다고요. 그러니까 그거를 믿고 공부를 해야죠. 노력을 해야죠. 한국 쪽에서, 한국 사람 쪽에서.